Hey, I've just created this awesome badge at the Oaha Makerspace. Why don't you watch the rest of the tutorial to find out how?
Alright, so the first thing we're going to need is some kind of image, and there's a few ways you could go about this. You can either draw one by hand, or you can print something on our computers, or you could even cut something out of a photo or a magazine. I'm going to be drawing something today, so let's come over here and see what I get up to. We have some handy templates here. This one is a 42mm circle. I want to try and keep my design inside the center of it, as we're going to lose a couple of millimeters each side. So with that being said, let's get started. I'm going to I think I'm just going to write our logo, Oaha. Something like that. And you can see I've managed to keep a little bit of space on either side. Alright, so now that we've got our picture, let's wander over this way and we'll cut it out. Here we have our circle cutter, which should be perfectly set up to cut out badges. So I'm going to place it right in the middle and set the arm in sort of a 11 o'clock position facing away from me. Now let's apply pressure both to the middle and to the edge of the handle, and we're just going to turn this around in a clockwise fashion. Alright, and now it should pop out just like that, ready to go into our badge maker. We need a few other pieces to go into our badge maker. So we're going to start with this pin. Okay, we also need a metallic backing. And finally, a clear cover to go over our picture. So with these three parts, along with our picture, we're ready to head into our badge maker and get this pressed. Here's our badge maker fender. We need to start it on the A side, so we can rotate it just like so, and we're ready to start loading it. First thing we're going to put in is this metallic backing piece. It goes in like so. After that, we need our picture. So place it on top, just like this. And then we need our clear coat that goes on top. Place it on top, just like so, and we're ready to turn it around. While we're here, let's put in our pin into side B with the squiggly side facing up. Now that we're all loaded, all we need to do is apply pressure and we should have a badge. So let's hold down on side A, letting it go. You can see that these pieces have now disappeared from this groove. And if we push this back to side B, we can apply pressure once again. And here we have our finished badge.